Guess what today is? It's Friday. And where am I going? Up to the cottage. Gonna do some trails, gonna have some fun. It's gonna be great. See ya.
Yeah, right here. You got your high beams on?
No. It looks like it? No, it
No, just because I couldn't see fuck all, that's why I was wondering. Some horror movie shit right here.
I'm already scared of fucking Jason's gonna come out. We're out here, it's a bit chilly. Gonna turn on some heat and then settle in for tonight and then get ready for tomorrow.
Wow, you are such a dramatic. It's 9 o'clock, you fucking idiot.
It's 8.
8:50.
It's 8 in the morning.
Can someone punch that bitch in the face?
Stop it. So we're up and today is raining. It's been raining all night long. It didn't start until we got here, but now got to figure out what we're gonna do. Most likely we're gonna be soaked in the rain. Somebody downstairs is annoying me. So it doesn't seem like the rain is gonna let up. So we're just gonna chance it, go out there, get wet, have some fun.
Such a weirdo as fuck.
Just doing it for a vlog.
It's all good. I get it.
I know.
She gets it. This guy makes it very difficult for me.
I usually got insane.
Everybody has their hobbies.
I guess.
Do you
Exactly.
have any questions in regards to the menu?
I'll get the barbecue fried chicken. There's no tomato.
No tomato? Yep.
I'll have the same thing.
You want
with
tomato?
the tomato.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
She's just being nice.
Does she understands? So we had an awesome day. It was so much fun, even though we got wet, drying up right now, but it was great. We hit the trails, lots of puddles, lots of water. It was awesome. Now, day's over. Tomorrow we're headed back, and then yeah, I'm gonna do some editing, get this all up and ready, get it up for you guys to view. Or if you guys like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, and you'll get notified each time I post another adventure or a workout or anything of that sort. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.